If you say prego, every time someone says grazie to you, you're not only going to sound like a textbook, but you're also going to miss the chance to connect more naturally. So in today's quick fire Italian lesson, I'm going to show you a few more natural ways to say you're welcome so you can sound just like a local and connect more easily. I'm Maria, founder and creator of the Italian Toolkit Program, and I help English speakers break past to sounding like a complete textbook and reach real conversational Italian. That way you can truly connect with Italian family, Italian friends, and really feel like you belong when you're in Italy. So if that sounds like you, be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell. I make tons of videos right here on this channel for people just like you learning Italian to really better their connections. Now I do have to say this, saying prego is totally fine. It literally means you're welcome in Italian, and it's a perfectly good response to grazie. However, there are more fun and natural ways to say prego or you're welcome, just like we have in English. So that's what we're going to delve into today. And why not learn a few more phrases to say you're welcome? It'll make you seem more like a local. First we have di niente, or di nulla. Di niente or di nulla. And it means of nothing. So almost in English, like think nothing of it. It's nothing. Someone could say, thanks for the help, and you could say di niente. It's nothing. A really informal way to say you're welcome, or more like don't mention it, is figurati. Figurati. For example, someone could say to you, grazie per avermi portato a casa, and you could say, ma figurati. Don't mention it, no worries. Another one, non c'è di che. This one's a bit more formal than figurati. Remember, that one is informal. It's meant for friends, close friends, people you really know well, casually. Non c'è di che is don't mention it. It's more polite and it's a little bit more formal. So someone could say to you, grazie per avermi aiutato con il progetto, and you could say, non c'è di che, don't mention it. Now we went over figurati, let's go over the more formal way to say that, which is si figuri. And again, si figuri is more formal, so you would say this to a boss, someone older than you, someone you want to show respect to. So that person might say to you, la ringrazio molto, and you would say, si figuri. And lastly, it was a pleasure. È stato un piacere. It was a pleasure. It's polite and it's really useful if you're doing a favor for someone. So someone might say to you, grazie mille per tutto, and you could say, è stato un piacere. Di niente. It was a pleasure, it's nothing. Or it was a pleasure, really. So now that we've gone through this video, do you feel like you've been saying prego a bit too much? Are you happy to have these alternatives? Let me know in the comments. So now you can use any or all of these 5 ways to say prego or you're welcome in Italiano and really connect better with people. My entire goal for this community that we've built and this channel is to really help you learn Italian for that purpose of having meaningful conversations and connecting with Italian family, making new Italian friends, Italian locals, whoever it may be that speaks Italian. So if you're really passionate about going to Italy and being a part of the community there, then I highly recommend that you click the link below and book a call with me. We'll actually get to speak, you and me, and really see if we're a good fit to work together. I have Italian family over in Italy, and I know that if I never learned Italian, I would never see them or be able to speak to them, and I would certainly not have friends all over the Italian country. So again, click that link below, get a chance to speak with me one-on-one, and we'll really see if we're a good fit to work together and get you connecting and really feeling like you belong. If you found this type of quick-fire Italian lesson helpful for your conversational skills, then please click like, click the subscribe button, click the notification bell, and of course you can watch my next lesson right here. A presto, ciao!